When it seemed that tensions between India and the US was waning, and after the very recent revamp of the US national security strategy that emphasized on strengthening economic, security and geopolitical ties with India, President Trump dropped off a possible tariff bombshell. This time it's India's agriculture sector. This comes after Trump held a meeting with Agriculture Secretary Brooke Rollins, lawmakers from farm states and farmers, where he announced a $12 billion aid package for American farmers. The farmers said that US President should take a harder stand against agricultural imports which were pushing the domestic prices down. CEO of Louisiana-based Kennedy Rice Mill, Merrill Kennedy told Trump that she believed other countries were dumping rice into the United States.
But us in the South are really struggling. I mean, this is not just a crisis. I would say it's almost a market dynamics that really are true anti-competitive nature, right? So it follows what you sent out this weekend. And we do believe that countries are dumping rice into this country today. We've never seen imports this great.
Which countries?
India, Thailand, even China into Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico used to be one of the largest markets for U.S. rice. We haven't shipped rice into Puerto Rico in years.
India, tell me about India. Why is India allowed to do that? They have to pay tariffs. Do they have an exemption on rice?
No, sir. We're still working on their trade deal. So
yeah, but they should be dumping. I mean, I heard that from others. So you can't do that.
There's a WTO case against India
now.
Give
me the countries, if you could. Go ahead. India. Who else?
So India.
Mark it down. What'd you say?
Yes, sir.
India, Thailand, China into Puerto Rico, not into the continental U.S., but into Puerto Rico.
All right.
And
so easy to settle.
Rice dumping refers to a practice to sell rice at a very low price to another country, thereby harming the import's country's domestic production. She also mentioned the WTO case against India. As per the case, US and other countries have accused India of selling rice at a higher level than is permissible under the WTO rules. The Indian Rice Exports Federation on the issue of rice dumping noted that exports to the US are strictly demand-driven and shipments are only made against advance purchase orders. According to IREF, India exported 274,213 million tons of basmati rice worth $337.1 million to the US in financial year 2025. Making America the fourth largest market for Indian basmati. Non-basmati shipments stood at 61,341 MT worth $54.6 million, placing the US as the 24th largest market for that category. The tariff war has strained India-US relations. India is already reeling under 50% tariff charge from the US for purchasing Russian oil. Though President Trump has called Prime Minister Modi a good friend and said talks were on regarding trade and tariffs, the new possible tariff could make business with the US tougher.
To be able to stay